Well, this time around we are going to solve exponential equations. And we're going to use the rule, if a to the m equals a to the n. The only way that's possible is if m equals n. Notice, identical bases. If that's the case, the exponents have to equate. So, let's do the first one. And we have 5 to the x equals 5 to the negative 6. The only way that can possibly be true is if x equals negative 6, and we are done. We have solved for x. So that was 1. Let's do 2. And we've got 4 to the x squared equals 2 to the x. We've got an issue here. 4 and 2 are not identical bases. Nevertheless, we can rewrite base 4 in terms of base 2. That will become 2 squared raised to the x squared equals 2 to the x. By the rules of exponents, that's the same as 2 to the 2x squared equals 2 to the x. Now we can equate. We've got identical bases. We can go ahead and equate the exponents. And we get 2x squared equals x. Let's get 0 on one side, everything else on the other. So we have 2x squared minus x equals 0. Factor out an x, and we get x times 2x minus 1 equals 0. The only way that's possible is if one of these two factors equals 0. So we'll set each factor equal to 0. X equals 0. Well, there's one solution. The other factor, 2x minus 1 equals 0. Solving for x, we get 2x equals 1, and so x equals, dividing through by 2, 1/2. So the solutions are x equals 0, or 1/2, and we are done with the first two. We've got one more to go. Okay, we've got one more exponential equation to resolve. Number 3 here. So let's get her done. 3. We have 5 to the x squared plus 8 equals 125 to the 2x. Hey, we've got a problem again. The bases are not identical, but nevertheless we can rewrite 125 in terms of base 5. So this equals 5 cubed. 125 is 5 cubed to the 2x, which equals 5, and by the rules of exponents we'll multiply exponents and we get 6x. So now we have 5 to the x squared plus 8 equal to 5 to the 6x. The bases are identical. The only way this is possible if the exponents equate. So we will equate the exponents. Equals 6x. Getting 0 on one side, everything else on the other. We have x squared minus 6x plus 8 equals 0. This factors. Let's see. X minus 4 and 2. Now what value of x takes this factor to 0? 2 does. What value of x takes this factor to 0? 4 does. So the solutions are 2 and 4, and we are done with problem 3.